Hello from Slovenia again. It's time for some experiment again. This time I will see what will happen if I do just circles. And I will start with gold and some cadmium yellow around. And I hope that I will be able to stay in a kind of circles, not ellipses or something. This was orange. And this is quinacridone magenta. Oops. And I will add some of this alizarin violet next. You see, I tell you already that I'm not good at these straight lines. And I will do some of this metallic violet next, because I want some, oh, you see how my hand is shaking. Kind of effect that I get. Whoops, what is it with my hand? I will try to do it that way. And I almost get a square out of this circle that I want to have. And some metallic silver. I think that I will add white. This is an enamel mixture. And I will go with magenta again. And I just didn't do it okay, but now it is what it is. And the alizarin again. And this metallic purple again. And cleanser violet. And some silver again. You see how it's not round as I want, and I will do one circle with this violet again. It's not a circle because obviously I just can't do circles. See? But it is what it is. And let's see what we can get out of circles. And I will just press. I will just circle with my hand, and now I will press it a little bit on the edges. It's raining, but I love rain, and I love purple rain too. I hope that you can hear me because I have my doors open, because it's I love this fresh air which comes when raining, because it's so easier to breathe when just one spiral touch at the end, and now I will try to release the sides first a little bit, and then I will lift it. I don't know. Definitely with circles we get the shape too, but I didn't get all this lacing that I get if I do a spiral, so and maybe I should have done smaller one. What we have here? Or maybe my outside leaves this outside line shouldn't be a circle. I'll just add some white on this some parts, and or I shouldn't have had this enamel paint in between, but this center flower is beautiful, I think, but I'm not sure about the outside. So I will take you for a close-up so you can see what I'm talking about. And I just have to do this so you can see it without a glare. This is the whole flower that I don't know if I like, but I like this part so much, and I guess I should add this magenta on the outside line too. So, but I like this part so much. It's almost like there is a fire in this middle part of this flower. So this is something that I will looking for when I will do this again. So you can see, even with just the circles, you can get a pretty nice looking flower. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!